Hi, welcome back to my channel. And it's been about 3 weeks and 2 days. Yeah, today makes it 2 days. 3 weeks and 2 days since I got my style locks, and it is much overdue for washing. So I'm going to be washing it today. So let's get right to it. This style is not for drying my hair because it is quite woolly and can leave particles on my hair, so it's just for preventing water from running down my neck, so to dry the water on my neck. And this is the stocking cap I use every night to sleep. As you can see, I have not removed it today, so I'm going to be removing it now. Please don't judge how my hair is going to look. So I know it's not going to look pretty, but just watch how I'm going to wash the hair. That's the whole purpose of this video. Thank you. So let's get right into washing. So before I started washing my hair, I first separated them with my ends and to shake off particles. Then I poured water on my hair. Then I applied my shampoo, my black soap shampoo I made myself. Then I started scrubbing it in. It's important to scrub your scalp because at the same time you're going to be massaging your pores and your scalp, which helps to open your follicles and all that. Then I poured water over my hair to rinse off the soap, the first set of shampoo. I'm rinsing it off right now. When washing your hair, it's important to use a lot of water because you don't want any soap being trapped in your lock or anything. You have to rinse properly. So I just kept on rinsing my hair. Kept on pouring water to rinse off the soap. Kept pouring water. Then I squeezed off the excess water after the first rinse. Then I applied the second set of shampoo. At this point, my legs were already burning. I've been squatting for a while, so I had to stand up to leave my leg. And I kept scrubbing. And it's important. You scrub your head with the pad of your fingers, not your nails. So that's important. I scrubbed my pad of with the pad of my hand. Sorry. So I just kept scrubbing. This towel was just disturbing me. I don't even know why I kept it on my neck. It was just disturbing me. But so I kept scrubbing until I felt my hair was clean enough. So scrubbing. I really went in to scrub this hair. Then I'm rinsing the second set of shampoo off my hair. Just kept pouring water. My hair just likes water, I tell you. My hair just absorbs moisture and water. It just keeps absorbing the water. So I kept pouring water. I don't shy away from water when washing my hair. I make sure I use enough water to wash my hair. I think I used about like 2 buckets of water to wash this hair that day. So I just kept pouring the water to wash it off, to rinse off the soap and everything. So kept pouring water. Kept pouring water, using my hands to shake the locks so the water can get in between them. And I squeezed off the water again. Squeeze off the water. And I started separating my hair so that the locks will not combine, so they will stand on their own. And I poured more water again. Yo, I love water, I tell you. It was just so sweet at that point. Then I massaged the water into my scalp. Then I squeezed off the excess water again. Yeah. Then I brought out my t-shirt to dry my hair. It's important to dry your hair with t-shirts the same, so as not to get any particle in your hair. So I wrap my hair with my t-shirt. So I'm just wrapping the t-shirt on my head properly so that I can soak up the excess water and dry my hair to an extent. After wrapping it around my head properly, I started patting it in. Yeah, so that I can soak up any excess water left on my hair. So after patting it, I just removed this t-shirt, began to separate my hair. You can see it's quite neat. Look at, my scalp is visible and everything. As you can see, my locks unraveled quite a bit. Like, there's a lot of unraveling, but that's fine, I guess. Then I sprayed it with my oil and water mixture in my spray bottle to moisturize my hair. This is my moisturizing routine, I guess. I always moisturize my hair after washing it. Now I'm massaging in the water and oil I sprayed on my hair right now. Then I'm applying my essential oils to seal in the moisture in my hair. So this is basically my moisturizing routine. I spray it with my oil and water mixture, then I rub in my essential oils mixture. So I'm massaging in the oils. After washing your hair, it's basically stripped of all the oils and everything, so it's important to moisturize. You can see my hair really unraveled. Then I went ahead to retwist my hair myself. Trust me, it wasn't an easy task, but I guess I did okay. See, this is my first time retwisting my hair myself. Thanks for watching. Odabo.